Hey everyone, it's Chris Davis. Welcome back to another video. Today I am playing Minecraft and probably realized, oh, that looks familiar. But then again, not familiar because this is not the creation. That looks familiar though. Well, because it's one of Crafty Foxe creations. Except I built one block of it like the original design I did. Yes, I was the guy whose dad's channel got 2K views. 2,000 views. And I'm not even done, so let's see how many views this gets along in about 2-3 years. I'm just getting a little nudge. There you go. Anyways, I did my own design on some. That's not good. Oh yeah, guys, don't follow me. I just did. Just don't. So it's clear an accident. I'll put some right here just to complete the design. Anyways, this is. This building was created by Crafty Foxe, and don't you dare try it. People who said I copied Crafty Foxe this, yes, technically I did. I'm giving credit to him, and he builds on creations and on YouTube so people can build it and stuff. And well, yeah. Anyways, shout out to Crafty Foxe for giving the tutorials. He helped me. Well, helped me. I just watched his tutorials. Build this, build that. I was going to use banners, but I decided to just try not to. These are the old designs, by the ways. These aren't new designs. Oh, Crafty Foxe, if you're watching this video, which I hope you are, please I don't know if I don't see it on your channel, but please make a video about your new Amtrak coach designs and your new relining designs for Amtrak trains, because that would be really useful. Enter that way. Which way I can enter? I don't know. I'm just gonna break this. There you go. Okay, so this is the first supercar, and I changed them differently. And like the last one, instead of having it all the way down, I just have it as the I don't have these separate rooms anymore. I just built bunk beds, many of them. Well, that's because, well, no, I was lazy. Now I kind of want to go for something new and more realistic. Even though yeah, unfortunately there is no bathroom in the car. So I'm around like the 20 in my Well, if it has a bathroom on it, you know it's from me. But there is bathrooms in the other places. I did have a bathroom on the first car though, so don't kill me. I did what you want, I think. And yeah, I'm still trying to work on the interiors of these trains. Or train. Because I'm not. This is just a. I'm not reviewing this. Well, I am reviewing this. Or else I'm making a video about it. I'm just. Right now, I'm just showing what's going to happen soon. I should say. And yeah, apparently I am almost done because I just ended up because I'm actually on an fleet. There's some torches. No, I can use some better than torches. I want to burn the whole place down, don't I? Sea lanterns. Also, this is made in another update a few days after, I think. Okay, this took me 2 days to build. Not much time, but to me it felt like forever. It's only 10:30. And actually, I built most of the cars today. I'm really impressed with myself. Oh gosh. Anyways, yeah. Where's the sea lanterns? Sea lantern. Probably like, come on. every 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, yeah, but I guess what I'm trying to say is, I'm still working on the designs in trains. Well, Crafty Foxe does the out exterior. I'm just doing the interior designs. And this is what the one second, guys. I'll be right there. Anyways, this is the Fleet Coach. Like I said, I am using the old design because I don't know how to build a new design because it's pictures. Yeah. And like I said, I was going to use banners. It's kind of kind of sad because, well, I am using the new design. P42 Genesis locomotives. Genesis locomotives, because this is not Silver Star. Yeah, again, Silver Star does use 2 Genesis locomotives on the way down. So, oh, this is Crafty Foxe build. Yes, I'll link once the video is out. I'll probably have it all linked to the description there of all the tutorials, so guys don't worry. No, I can't answer that way. 1 second. I can fix this. There you go. Anyways, I'm gonna build the inside of this cafe car. Normally used to is short. See. So instead of using concrete, we'll probably be using wood because that's what I remember of the cafe car. Accurately. Yeah. Do one up here because it looks cool. Yeah. That won't work. That's right. That won't work either. There we go. Let's get my fence post. Okay, there you go. Now I have that. Time to work on the seats. Seats are gonna be similar in dining car. Just coming out. Same. Now, okay. Scaffolding. This guy's would be used scaffolding. It's a new design. Or D. New design. D. Wait, can you? Okay, you can't. Good. Whew. So guys, next time I'll probably do is Amtrak Cascades because someone did do that in the other video that I did about the detailed Amtrak train. So do that next. I'm just doing this train because I haven't read the comments and just feel like doing a train. But don't worry, I promise you it's next. Whoever said that. Okay. Whew. Squeeze, but no. Okay, now, Rope correctly has lanterns. You can own the car, so just do some fun computer stuff. Holy 3-year-old. One second, I have better ideas. Four, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Am I going to, guys? This nice layer. Okay. I just love carpet. Anyways, it's about time for me to go. Well, in for this video to end since it's been 15 minutes. Around that. There you go. Look. I decided what to do on it, guys. If you like it, leave a comment section down below. So I might keep it. I don't know. I'll work on design this, make it better than last time's design. And I'll see you guys next time.